Folks, welcome back to another amazing do-it-yourself video right here on the Ranch Network. And I'm your host, Wild Will, the Graffiti King. Well, not really, folks. What we're gonna do today is I'm gonna spray bomb with some beautiful gloss clear coat these tin panels that are gonna line the inside of the Ranch Network studios. So without further ado, let's get to it. So I've got this tack cloth here and I'm just gonna hit it really quick. Nothing fancy. I just want to knock any boogers off here. I should use a respirator for this, but I'm going like old school graffiti artist. So you're probably asking yourself, why is Will out here in the dead of night, all by himself, not a soul to be found anywhere, except for some stray dogs or wolves or coyotes or something in the background? The answer is this. It's simple. Because in Texas, we're experiencing a severe drought. Temperatures above 100 degrees for like, I don't know how many days straight, but in total, over 30 the last 2 months. The only way I can really get out here and like spray is to get out here at night, because the daytime, it's just super hot. So my plan is this, to line the interior of the studio, which is just like a corner of the room, because when it comes to building a studio or anything, it's just a small area. They're approximately 7 feet in length, about 39 inches wide. So each can of paint should cover one of these pieces easily. Almost there, folks. I can feel the end. And then once I have this painted, I'm gonna slowly move the craftsman in the trailer into the workshop. I gotta be very careful. I don't want these to fall off. You know, I don't want to screw them up. Oh wait, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share, do all those great things. Ring the bell for notifications, because we want you to come back and we miss you guys when you're gone. All right, so this can is almost run dry. Just enough here to touch up the edges. Touch up those edges a little bit. I'm literally like the Bob Ross of spray painting, except that I have a little bit more angst. I get irritable. Other than that, well, I don't have an afro either. Anyway, so I guess I'm not like the Bob Ross of graffiti. You almost got it, people. I'm looking good. All right, so I think that's gonna do it. I've had enough. We've all had enough, folks. Folks, that's a wrap for part 1 of the studio project, the Ranch Network studio project. So we've got these pieces painted, gave them that clear coat. They're looking pretty good. Now we've got to mount them on the inside of the house. So with that being said, I've got to go for now because I'm really tired.